Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Begin with safety. Put the car in park and keep your foot off the brake so the vehicle does not drive. To soft reboot the touchscreen, press and hold both steering wheel scroll wheels for about 10 seconds until the main screen and instrument cluster go black. Release the wheels and do not open doors or press pedals for 30 to 60 seconds while the system restarts. When both screens reappear, check that navigation, Bluetooth, and charging settings restored correctly before driving. If problems persist after a soft reboot, perform a full power cycle. From the main screen, choose Controls, then Safety, then Power Off. This isolates high-level systems. After selecting Power Off, do not touch the car, open doors, or use the app for at least 2 minutes and up to 10 minutes to allow modules to discharge and reset. Remove phone key or close the Tesla app to avoid accidental wake pulses. Press the brake or open the driver door to resume normal operation when you are ready. A factory reset is a last resort because it erases most personal settings and pairings. Navigate to Controls, Service, then Factory Reset. You must enter your Tesla account password to confirm. The reset clears driver profiles, Bluetooth pairings, phone keys, saved Wi-Fi and Sentry clips, and some calibration data. Backup dashcam footage and note settings before proceeding. After the reset, sign back into your account, repair devices, and verify autopilot or camera calibrations. If problems can...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.